Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Today we will be talking on the concept of Bhagavad Gita on the innate nature of human being. On 17th chapter, second sloka, Lord Krishna has highlighted Trividha bhavati Shraddha Dehinang sa Swabhavaja Satviki Rajasi Chaiva Tamasi Chetitang Shrunu Sattanurupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata Shraddha Mayavim Puruso Jat Jat Shraddha Saivasa. There are three types of Shraddha, innate nature of human being. That is Satviki, Rajasi and Tamasi. And that is untaught. And by nature that comes up, erupts in the human nature. Because of the previous birth's perfection or previous birth's inclination towards the nature of Sattvika, Rajasa and Tamasa. So, Sattanurupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata. Every man do have the innate nature as per the mindset. It has got a Sattviki, Rajasi or Tamasi nature. Every man is like that. And Sattviki people, they are more inclined to adore the God, and they have the Daivi Sampatti, that means divine qualities. Divine qualities there are 26 divine qualities as detailed by Lord Krishna on Daivasura Sampada Yoga, first, second and third sloka. Abhayang Sattva Sansuddhi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthiti Danang Damasya Jajnasya Swadhyaya Tapaharjava Ahimsa Satya Akrodha Tyaga Santi Apeshunam Daya Bhuteshu Alulaktam Ardamang Hiya Chapalam Teja Khyama Dhruti Socha Adroham Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadam Daiva Abhijatasya Bharata. So these are the 26 qualities as detailed by Lord Krishna of Daivi Guna. And those who are having Sattvika quality, they will be imbibing it and developing it to reach the ultimate goal of human life, to achieve the Supreme Master of the soul. So this will not happen in this birth only. That will be taking many births by way of austerity. So the way we work in this life, that will be reflected as a prarabdha in next birth. And those who are Rajasika, they enjoy the world and they imbibe more and more. They do heap up their property and enjoy the world. And that unfulfilled enjoyment compels them to take birth in this world once again. But those who are having Daivi Sampatti, they will be having the elevated type of life. And those who are having Tamasika quality, they will be will be having the temperament to destroy the world, to kill others, to do the reverse thing of Dharma. They will be meaning Adharma as Dharma. So in this context, on 14th chapter, 18th sloka, Lord Krishna has highlighted Urdhang gachanti saptastha madhye tishtanti rajasa jaganya guna vrittistha adho gachanti tamasa. Those who are sattvika in nature, they will be having elevated life scale in the next birth. Those who are rajasika, they will be taking birth in this world as human beings or some other species to quench their thirst of acquirement. And the tamasika, adha gachanti tamasa, they used to get a downward growth of their life. May not be human beings, maybe plants, animals like that. So this is the fate of the three gunas that man acquires, Sattvika, Rajasi and Tamasi. And this is the fate they meet ultimately in their life. Journey, because a journey is never ending. And that is why our aim is to be amalgamated with the Supreme Soul by acquiring the Daivi Guna, not Asuri Guna. Hari Om Tat Sat.